Top 10 Best National Parks in the U.S. Visit the full video for the complete list. Discover the beauty of America's national park treasures. Number 10. Acadia National Park, Maine. Acadia National Park, nestled along the rugged coastline of Maine, boasts stunning landscapes of rocky shorelines, lush forests, and granite peaks. 9. Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming. Grand Teton National Park, located in Wyoming's majestic Teton Range, captivates with its towering peaks, pristine alpine lakes, and abundant wildlife. Watch the full video for the complete list and subscribe for more adventures.